Hi there, this is the Average Joe, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can lather a shave soap. So for this demonstration I'm going to use a bowl, my Omega shave brush, and a Proraso Green Soap. This is one of the most common soaps you can get. So this is what I'm going to use for this demonstration. So, in order to be able to create this lather, we will need first to soak the brush. I'm going to let the brush soak in hot water for a couple of minutes. And also, I'm going to take this soap, put some water on it, and let it soak for a couple of minutes. This water on top of the soap is called a bloom, the bloom water. You can actually use this water as a pre-shave to put it on your face. We are not going to do that today. We are just going to let it sit in here and soak a little bit into the soap. So we're just going to let it there soak. Now that the brush and the soap had a couple of minutes in water, we're gonna spill the bloom water because we're not going to use it today. We're going to take the brush, take out some of the water in it, and we're going to spill the water in the bowl. Now, in order for you to be able to make a lather, first thing is to load the brush with soap. This is the way I like to do it. I just spin it around the soap a couple of times and just work it around. Work it so soap gets into the brush. If the soap had some time to soften it up a bit, this will be easier. Okay. Now, as you can see, the brush got soap into it. Now, in order to make the lather, we're just going to take the bowl, spin the brush around a few times, and in order for you to be able to get more air into your lather and to lather up fast, you can besides doing the rotational motion, you can also add a pumping motion. This puts more air into your lather. So let's try it together. Now, by doing the simultaneous motion, adding the pumping to the swirling, you get your lather faster. So, as you can see, it only takes a minute or two in order to build a lather. Let's work it a little bit more, and now, because of the pumping motion, Besides just loading the exterior of the brush with the lather, you have also loaded the interior of the brush, and you won't have only soap inside the brush. And as you can see, we now have a thick lather that was ready in just a couple of minutes. Now that I have showed you how easy it is to lather shave soap, I hope you will find this helpful. Go now, lather your soap, go get a good shave, and don't forget, give me a like and a subscribe if you liked my video. Thank you and see you next time.